In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about the latest update that Android has rolled out for latest devices. What are the pros and cons? What are the best features? And how you could use these features to your benefit so that you could actually have a fantastic working Android device, be it a laptop or a tablet or a smartphone. Let's get into the video for today. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel Signatech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not, this is definitely going to cheer you up and make your life more easy, because just recently Android has rolled out an update through which the entire user interface and the look for most applications on your Android device has all of a sudden changed. All right, so what happened was, a few days back I was charging my phone, and after like say half an hour, I went to my phone to check to see if I have any WhatsApp messages or if anybody called me and all these things. That's normal, we all do that. So when I unlocked my phone and went to the dialer, I saw that the dialer interface has totally changed. I went to my contacts, I saw that's also totally changed. I checked other applications also. The way the applications responded also were kind of different. So the first thing what I did was, honestly speaking, I just called my daughter and I asked her, did you do this? Okay. So she said, no, Papa, I did not do that. I just didn't touch your phone. So then I was like kind of upset. I saw this interface for the dialer, which looked awful, to be very honest with you. But this is the latest update from Android. We all were surprised. I get that. We were blaming our children and blaming this one and that one, but it was actually Android. So Android always does its best to keep its devices up to date, working properly with the latest features and all those things. There are a lot of pros in this as compared to cons. So let's go ahead and pick up these pros and cons one by one and talk about it so that we could get used to it. So the first thing is about this update, I noticed that the user interface was slightly different when we open an application. You know, the look for the application inside was different. So if you open the dialer, for instance, you could see that I have a calling card, and then all of a sudden the options to the bottom has vanished. There are only two options, home and keypad. That's it. I don't see the contact option anymore out here. So if you want to search for a contact now, you would have to go and just do a direct search for the contact out here, which is a good thing. Okay, this is a pro. Because before, if you needed to search for a contact, you would have to click on that option below and then get to contact, search, and then call. Now you don't have to do that. You could directly go ahead, search for a contact and call that person directly from there. Okay. Now the second thing is a calling card. Now what is a calling card? So a calling card is basically an interface that you're going to see when you are in touch or when somebody is calling you. Okay, how you would want to see the contact, maybe their photo and stuff like that. That is something you could go ahead and set up. You could click on view contacts and then click on create contact, and then you are going to get an option to create a calling card out here. Okay, so you could add a picture, you could put in the first name, surname, company name, the phone number, you could add an email, birthday, address, you could even put a label and even put notes to the calling card and save it. Now let's go ahead and talk about the negative sides of the update that you may not have liked. So basically this was an update for the user interface and the look for certain applications, and what we noticed is that on the dialer it actually looked very ugly or very unnecessary. It was not appealing to most youths all over the world. So if you get to the calling application and if you maybe just call anyone, you're going to see that you have something like this. All the options are huge out here, and it looks very weird and ugly. So this update was actually good, but for most of us it was not appealing. This is our phone, it's not somebody else's. We paid money and we got the phone. Okay, this belongs to us legally. You know, I think we should be given the option to either opt in or opt out for this specific update. So what are your thoughts on this? Do let me know in the comment section below, and if you need any assistance in relation to this topic, please do send me an email. I'll do my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Take care, my friend.